Everyone, we're looking at gold, and this was one that I felt was going to do a little better here. I thought we were kind of seeing this last decline, this five-wave move, and then we saw a kind of a counter move, bearish, and then we saw the last gasp here, and we really saw kind of like a double bottom here, and that's what I thought we were seeing. And then we saw this kind of ABC pattern, and we saw the correction. I thought we'd at least see it come up a little higher here this time, as it thought it was trying to create this longer term move. Now, that doesn't mean that that's not what's happening. Maybe it breaks a little bit here, and they eventually kind of move it up, because we do have a double bottom here. But we just haven't been seeing some of that energy here, and this is kind of what I had thought we were seeing. This is why sometimes it could be, very difficult here with Elliott Wave. I hear people say that it's always perfect for them, but I've seen people, a lot of times have to redo their calculations or off. But regardless, it's there to try to give you some guidelines. But I think what's very simple here to look at here is, here's a prior four-wave down. It's a pivot low. We know that this is resistance. We talked about this resistance high. It's at 117.50. So it was not a real big news flash when we saw it really not able to break through that range and basically creating a double top. We had a double bottom. Now we have a double top on the short term, where really prices need longer to try to kind of come out of it. It's a longer term trend. It makes sense, but it was my hopes that we were going to see this kind of get into this 120 target. That didn't happen, and just try to be on the safe side just in case we see this kind of make another final move here. I didn't want to be in denial here, because a lot of these sideways actions can really kind of meet right toward the end of the channel and then still be bullish. It's crazy. But you take your shot and you gotta go with it. But anyway, I would be watching for any real breakthrough this 112.25 range. I would be kind of looking for this kind of a move at trying to kind of hold this kind of its last, I think, the last hurrah here, if it can hold that. Otherwise, you'll see a deeper move into the 110.